So you don't want to deliver to the Most High Mother and Father a healthy baby, because you have gone astray by your religions. Okay? So, in order to understand that we all are the children of the Most High, try to understand when a baby is born and finally he is there with his mother and his father. Ask them which part of their baby they love most. Okay? Ask them, do you love the most his fingernails? Do you love the most his hair? Do you love the most his eyes? And they will say to you, I love every single cell of the body. Sorry. So I love every single cell of the body of my baby. Every single one. Okay? So that's the love of the Most High. So we are all inside this baby of the Most High, and someone from the beginning doesn't want to be obedient and build, so to speak, by obedience, a healthy baby. So that is the struggle of the Most High. Now, I started to say in the part 1 that till it will be hope for our earth to be healed, the Most High Mother and Father will fight to have this baby. Now, I find a lot of people that are preaching from the inside of them that this earth will be thrown away, and then will be a new earth, blah blah. Shame on you. What do you make you think that if you cannot deliver this one on which you are now, okay, what make you believe that you will be choose, okay, to have everlasting life on a new one? Okay, that's the trickery. So the Most High will permit, okay, that's written there, that let them grow together till the end. Then I will put in bundles the weeds and bound them together to burn them, and I will take the good seeds and pick them and put in my barn. Okay. So Agenda 21, and I don't know if I find it for you. Agenda 21 saying that there will be 10 regions, and these regions will have mega cities, and all the people will be put in the mega cities, and there will be nobody outside on the free land, so to speak. So we go toward that part now, and I not remember now if it will be until 2020 or 2030. You can find videos on YouTube about that, and how will be 10 regions, okay, with 10 kings that have not yet get their crowns, but they will rule with the beast for 1 hour. So 1 hour are 5 years. So for 5 years will last Agenda 21 once it is implemented, and the people will be taken to captivity, so to speak, in mega cities. So after that you can read, so to speak, what will be. And so the Most High is against homosexuality. There is no pride in that. The Most High hate pervert people. There is no pride in that. He hates that babies are not cherished and loved and protected and nourished and have a good foundation of the mind. And but he permit all that in order to you know that the bad seeds came out. Okay, so I know I have only 91 subscribers, and I believe, as I always told you, that not all 91 at the moment are watching my videos. So there are more or less than so. So I know that seems unbelievable, but after you will manage to understand, and what I'm teaching you will get inside your mind, will eliminate all the stuff that you don't need, and you will have a good foundation. Then you will see, okay, you will see the truth and the importance of all us in this earth, the love of the Most High, Mother and Father. Okay, we are still in the womb for this baby, and this baby have a lot of cells, stem cells, all kind of cells, and that those cells are we. Okay, so Most High love all of us, and He never wanted any one of us perish, but to have everlasting life. Now, lasting forever, it means that I already explained. It's quite difficult for me to explain to you how the cells of your body will clone themselves every a number of time. After a number of time will give the same cell identical and so on. So it's not kind of a reincarnation, but it's kind of living forever, because your body will make a specific cells, okay, in order to that you will be you. Okay, so Most High love Him. Okay, love Him all. And what I'm telling you is that you don't want to give by your transgression and disobedience, okay, and going astray. Okay, you don't want to deliver to the Most High the most beautiful thing that we have, okay, in our lives. Okay, okay, no matter what your color is, no matter who you are all the children of the Most High. Okay, how beautiful. So again, this is our baby earth. We are here from the beginning, and we have to deliver a healthy baby. And because some of the cells got astray and start to stole children of the Most High, in order to be the leadership, this baby is risking now to be unhealthy and to deliver an unhealthy baby. Okay, So at the moment I want to tell you that as Jesus told them, let them who is righteous to be righteous to the end, who is a thief to be a thief to the end, homosexual, gay pride to the end, and so on, till the end. Okay, till the end. The end will be when Most High will decide that this baby cannot be killed anymore. It's not about, only the time of the deliverance, the labor and the birth, but it's the developing of the health of this baby. So, for now, I believe that is all. I already explained to you how Most High, okay, Father will use the stone, okay, to punish the nations, and because we will be angry, okay, we will be angry, and in the end we'll throw even the stone. So make up your mind, try to understand and have a good foundation. We have so much knowledge now that I can prove, okay, that we are the stem cells from the beginning that formed this baby, okay, from the beginning in the womb, and we are not yet born. We are still in the womb. That's why we see the moon, we see the sun, okay. Most High does not want to worship none of that. Most High want to have you a life, okay, perfect life with the 10 Commandments, okay, and live freely in this earth. Your body does not use money in your body, understand that, and that's it. To love one another as you love yourself, and yeah, I don't know how can I explain more to you, and well, I will think of that, and that is that the Most High wanted from the beginning, and He don't care if this baby is a son or is, a male or a female, a girl or a boy. He loves this baby anyway. He desired him from the beginning. Even if our mother and our father, both of them, they are preoccupied for the health of this baby, and so on. So till my next video, I hope that you I understand why people don't find my channel, because it had to be like that. It could be so easy that my videos had 8 billion of views, that every one of this earth see and understand that, but it's not. It cannot be, because people got astray and go over their imaginations, and they transgress, and life could be simply and beautiful, but seems that it will be some kind of purge. So anyway, I don't know if it could be a rapture, or I don't know. This could be that time in the end, when all the people will be amassed, so to speak, in the mega cities, and some will not be, and I don't know yet, but yeah, that's the the sequence of the prophecy, so to speak. So yeah, let me know what you think about, and take your 10 Commandments and do them, okay? No religion. Bye bye.